Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the overall situation in Canada right now. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now, and feel free to share the video. Alright guys. So guys, first of all, the situation is at a critical point. When I say critical means it is at a situation where it can go anywhere, like all ways are open for it. We have been seeing less numbers, but now the numbers are rising again thanks to the Delta variant. When it comes to immunization, definitely, when it comes to percentage, Canada has done much better and leading the world, but still more than, if I'm not wrong, for I think around 6 million people have not been vaccinated yet. So this is a concern, no doubt. So 80% vaccination, okay, fine. I mean, more than 80% eligible people have got at least one dose. So that is better, but still we can do more. Now, because of this Delta variant effect, few things are happening. First of all, the province of Alberta, they had the plan by this Monday to remove all the remaining restrictions, but they have delayed their plan for another 6 weeks. They haven't gone back, but they have paused, and they are going to observe the situation before they proceed. I read a I read a piece of news about similar things happening in Ontario as well, but no such announcements have been made, so I won't discuss much into it until I get some confirmed news. In other provinces, also things are going like this. Quebec already announced vaccination passport. Federal government already announced vaccination passport, and now they are even making it mandatory for federal employees, interstate travelers, and interprovincial travelers. Long stays like cruise ships goers. So all such things are happening. At this moment, all activities are going on, although at reduced capacity. But businesses are really worried because they want something fixed, they want something streamlined, a fixed process that can be followed in case the case numbers spike. The case numbers are spiking, but the hospitalization hasn't yet. But you never know, when the case numbers are spiking and people start falling ill, they will show up at hospitals, and that is the moment the healthcare system is going to be strained once more. There is no shortage of vaccines, but still many people haven't taken it, and I think they should take now so that we don't have to go back. Hopefully things improve from here, but things are too uncertain. Good, on the other side, like bright side, if we see, like from federal government point of view, vaccination passport and other things probably are going to make sure that some activities are going to be on. And if Canada sticks to its plan, then next month, like we are just weeks away, Canada is going to open for non-essential travel from other countries. It has already opened for non-essential travel from USA. That has helped to improve economy, especially at many regions which depend on tourism a lot, for example Niagara region. So at this moment, like, it's a very critical situation, and hopefully it all from here, but I really cannot say until we see how things go from here. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll keep you guys updated with whatever is happening. Thanks for watching.